Hi everybody, it's time for a little bit of a refresher on our Qtrac IQ product line because it's actually grown. So if you remember, Qtrac IQ stands for Qtrac Intelligent Queuing. So our first element to our suite of our intelligent queuing products is the in-queue sensor. So if you remember, we have a bi-directional infrared sensor. It measures direction and it measures speed. So what does that mean for us? As customers walk through a physical queue with several of these sensors, our speed and direction is being measured, and what that allows us to do is calculate wait time with our sophisticated algorithms. It allows us to measure queue length and deliver all this information in a nice long stream of historical data, real-time dashboards, and even alerting capabilities. So keep that in mind. This is for structured queues, and the benefits really are its modularity and portability. But we have also new and even more interesting tools for intelligent queuing. The next one is our high precision sensor, which you see mounted way up there. So we typically mount this device to a ceiling or very high wall position. So it's maybe not as modular as the in-queue sensors, but it's got all kinds of interesting capabilities. So let's talk about them. So what you'll see on this screen right here is actually myself talking, a few customers in the aisle, and of course Steve filming the screen. What's actually happening is this sensor is sending 2,400 light beams measuring distance 2 times per second, and it's actually creating a 3D image. What does that mean for all of us? Because that sounds super geeky. That means 99.8% accuracy for basic counting and extremely high accuracy for other capabilities, measuring dwell time, measuring queue wait time, measuring patterns and events. So let's talk a little bit about what happens when you combine deploying, let's say in a large retail space, both our in-queue sensor system and our overhead high precision sensor. With our overhead high precision sensor, we're measuring with extremely high accuracy and no invasion of privacy all the customers that are walking in and out of the retail space, and thus occupancy level. If we also understand how many customers are in and out of the queue at any given time, we understand conversion rates, and we even understand the effect on conversion rate or attrition given different queue lengths and different queue wait times. Now don't forget, with intelligent queuing, all of the data and all of the code speaks the same language as our VR system, as our CF system, so we have the capability of giving a full reporting suite with productivity and full benefits for optimization.